Hi, this is Benin from BEFIT-Women's Exercise Studio. This is level 2 in your post-pregnancy core restore series that is safe to do post-pregnancy and for moms that has Diastasis Recti. If you are here, you must have repeated workout of level 1 for 6 to 8 times, and you are now at level 2. And again, I recommend you do this workout 6 to 8 times before you move to level 3. And you're welcome to send me an email. My email is in the description below, and I'll send you the PDF version of this workout if you don't want to rewatch the video the whole time. Okay, so we're going to get straight into our first one, and you'll use a wall for 2 of the exercises, and it's a wall sit. We're going to do it for 20 seconds for 2 rounds. So you're going to place your back against the wall. Feet is about half a meter away from the wall, and we are sitting in this position. Place those hands on the tummy again, pulling in, and just hold it here, pulling in the belly button to the spine. Okay, so we're now focusing a bit more on stabilizing our body through our core as well. And at the end of the day, that's what's very important for us to do when we move to more of the difficult core exercises and high intensity workouts. 3, 2, and 1. Okay, come up, give those legs a little shake out, and we're going to do that once more. Let's go down again. 3, 2, 1, and sit. Pull the tummy in and hold. So really focus. You should have a bit more core control now, and you should have better that connection from the brain to the core. So really trying to pull inwards, of pulling in the tummy towards the wall. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Well done. Okay, give it a shake out. Next one is a wall push-up. So it's a very popular upper body exercise, but also one that requires us to stabilize our core. So we're going to have our hands shoulder width, a bit wider than shoulder width on the wall. As we go forward into our push-up, that's where you're going to pull the tummy muscles in for me. So I'm going to have my back to you now. So it's wider than shoulder width, your hands in line with your shoulders. Lower your body towards the wall, pull in your tummy, zip it together, and as you press away, also pull the tummy, especially when your arms are straight now, pulling in the tummy muscles. Let's go forward for 2, and pull in half, drawing your tummy muscles to the back, and down for 3, draw in 4, and draw in 5, 6, drawing, squeezing, 7, 8, 9, last one, 10. And there we go, well done. It's really important on that part where your arms are straight to really pull in the tummy. Next, our standing arms abs movement. So we are taking our arms up. Pull your tummy in for me. Ready at the start, so don't relax. And we are bringing our hands to our right knee. Zipping, pull the tummy. Reach up. Right knee again. 2, zip in and up. 3, 4, so it's a little bit harder to connect when we don't touch the tummy. 5, and when we're doing those standing abs, it's a real challenge to see how that connection between the brain and the core is going. 7, 8, zip it in. 9, one more on this side. 10, and we're focusing on slow and controlled movement so we can connect with the core. We're going to do the other side, and in 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, one more, and 10. Well done. Okay, for our next ones, we are going to go to our mat. So we're going to lay flat on our back. Taking both your arms to the back, and we're going to do angel arms. So your arms are lifted from the mat, your tummy is in. Okay, make sure you have that control. If your hands are all the way down, you might feel the rib cage is popping out and you lose control of the core. So slightly lifted, control of the core. And you're going to circle angel arms around to reach towards your heels. Pull your tummy in and circle it back. And around, zipping the tummy, pull in and back. And around for 3 and back. Sorry, my one arm is a bit crooked because of the space, but you get the idea. 4 and back. 5, zip it in, reach, pull in together. 6. And as you're seeing 7, it's still basic exercises we're doing, but we want to, as I said, in level 1, build up correctly. 8, so that we don't worsen the problem if you have diastasis recti or to cause you any back problems because of a weak core. 1 more here. There we go. Or you can take your hands on the tummy again. For me, we're going to do a knee fall out. So we'll let our knees fall out to the side, and then using your core, bring the legs together. Okay, so it's similar to, remember, the pillow squeeze we did in level 1. It's just a bit of a bigger movement. And so your core needs to control the movement as you let those knees fall open. 4, pull in. And 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1 more, 10. On that. And we're going to move over to our side. We're going to do a modified side plank, moving up and down. So it's our last exercise of level 2. So elbow and shoulder in line. Bend your legs to the back, so you've got a straight line from your thigh to your body, 90-degree bend. Top back, you're going to focus on lifting off to one side of your tummy muscles up and in as we do the lift in. So we're going to do 5 lifts on the one side and 5 on the other side. So we lift our body up, pull the tummy in, pull up here, squeeze down the side, and lower down. And 2. And lower down. 3. 4. 1 more. And 5. Okay, well done. Let's move to our other side. Okay, ready and up. 1, 2, 3, 4, nice and high up with the hips. and 5. Well done. That's your level 2 workout. As I said before, repeat 6 to 8 times. You can do it every day. When you've done 6 to 8 times, you will move on to level 3, where we're going to be taking things up a notch. Hope you enjoyed this workout and hope the postpartum journey is going good. Bye.